If a toddler can speak fluent Chinese without learning any grammar, so can you. In the last lesson, we learned an authentic and impressive way to say, "That sounds great." 听起来挺不错. In this and the next lessons, we are going to learn how to say, "My breath smells." I'm going to brush my teeth first. Let's start with, "My breath smells." We are going to break this sentence into 3 phrases. The first phrase is the first 2 words, 我的, that means my. Please repeat after me. 我的, 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 我的. The next phrase is 口气, that means breath. Please repeat after me. 口气，口气，口气，口气。The last phrase is 不好闻, that means smells, doesn't smell good. Please repeat after me. 不好闻，不好闻，不好闻。不好闻. The entire sentence sounds like 我的口气不好闻. Let's practice slowly for the first 3 times, and then we will speed up. Please repeat after me. 我的口气不好闻. 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 Let's speed up. 我的口气不好闻. 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 One more time. 我的口气不好闻. Let's practice this new sentence in the conversation. The man says, "What's for breakfast?" The lady says, "How about some eggs, milk, orange juice, and bread?" The man says, "That sounds great." And then the man says again, "My breath smells." We are going to practice in Chinese 4 times. The first 2 times will be slower, and the last 2 times will be normal speed. Please repeat after me. 早餐吃什么？一些鸡蛋、牛奶、橙汁和面包怎么样？听起来挺不错。我的口气不好闻. One more time. 早餐吃什么？一些鸡蛋、牛奶、橙汁和面包怎么样？听起来挺不错。我的口气不好闻. Now let's practice in a normal speed. 早餐吃什么？一些鸡蛋、牛奶、橙汁和面包怎么样？听起来挺不错。我的口气不好闻. The last time will be a role play. 早餐吃什么？一些鸡蛋、牛奶、橙汁和面包怎么样？ 听起来挺不错。我的口气不好闻。Please practice a few more times after class and have fun role-playing. Please give me a thumb up and share this education video. Better yet, subscribe if you haven't done so. I appreciate your support. See you next time.